Alrighty, we're just gonna show you some of our little pretty babies today. These have been all born this week. You two was born last night, wasn't you? Yeah. Boy, you covered up pretty. Yeah. Yeah, look at them spots all over you. Yeah, you're pretty too. You look like your mama. Yeah, you got a white spot right on your head. Them old feed bowls in your way. Alrighty, let's go back here and we'll find another. Alrighty, there's another little fella. You was the first one born, wasn't you? Yeah? Yep, Miss Bugs had you. Yep. Yeah. Alrighty, let's head on around here and we'll take a look at some of the others. Yeah, you did good too, Miss Bugs. Yeah, you did. Yep, both these, this is the first time they had babies. Alrighty, let's go around here and check out some more onions. Alrighty, we got 3 in here. Miss Banshee had them. Yeah, how are you doing? Oh, I ain't gonna get you. Alrighty. Here's these 2. Yeah, hi there, buddy. Yeah, Miss Peaches had you all. Yep. Now, let's go out here and take a look at the 2 that's born just a few minutes ago. Alrighty. These 2 was born just a little bit ago. Miss Eliza had those. She's very protective. These little fellas said we're going to have to get in out of the sun. Yeah.
Little boy and girl.
Little boy and girl. Little girl's on the left.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, we'll get you 2 out of the sun.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky, morning dew and a rooster's cry, garden row stretching far and wide, another summer day on the countryside, tomatoes growing, beans on the vine, sweet corn standing tall in a line, the flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold, simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green, one of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold. Another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's grown and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us, for every comment, sharing all your love. We hope you'll join us down the road ahead, here on Holmans Homestead today. Thank you all for coming along with us and watching